Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. In today's video, we'll show you how to peel a buttercup squash quickly and easily. Buttercup squash is delicious and packed with nutrients, but it can be tricky to peel. With our tips, you'll have it ready for cooking in no time. Before peeling, it's helpful to soften the squash. Start by washing and drying it thoroughly. Then, place the squash in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. This step softens the rind and makes it easier to peel and cut. Tip: let the squash cool slightly after microwaving to make it safe to handle. Once softened, place the squash on a sturdy cutting board and grab a sharp chef's knife. Cut the squash in half from the stem to the base. Buttercup squash can be dense, so use a steady grip and work carefully. Now, scoop out the seeds and stringy pulp with a sturdy spoon. This step clears out the inside and preps the squash for peeling. You can save the seeds for roasting if you like. Cut each squash half into quarters. Smaller pieces are easier to peel and manage, so this step makes the process much simpler. With a vegetable peeler, carefully remove the outer skin from each quarter. If the rind still feels tough, you can microwave the pieces for another minute. Slowly peel away the skin until each piece is ready for cooking. Tip: use a firm grip on both the squash and the peeler to safely remove the skin. And that's it. Peeling a buttercup squash is easy once you know these steps. Now you're ready to cook it however you like. Roast it, add it to soups, or make a delicious mash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips and plant care advice. Grower Today.